We'll guide you through how to find your WhatsApp phone number. You can follow this whether you use an Android or an iPhone. We're going to explain it for both. So this is really convenient to go and do because you can then go and give this out to people and they can go and message you, call you and stay in contact with you. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. As well as that, you may need to go and use it for verification. Sometimes a website or some type of app will go and ask you and say, what's your number? We need to go and verify your account. So make sure this full guide. So to go and get started with this, we need to start heading to our WhatsApp settings. So on an Android, press chats in the bottom left and press the three dots in the top right. And you can then go down and press settings. If you're using an iPhone, settings are going to be in the bottom right of the app. Now, what you need to do is come right to the top to where you can go and see your name and profile icon. What you need to do here is you need to go and tap on it, just like so. Now, what you can do is go down and you're going to go and find phone. So you're going to go and see the phone number here. So just a bit of context, WhatsApp will go and use the phone number, which is on your phone. That is your same one. So it's going to be the same. Unless you've got multiple accounts on WhatsApp, then you can go and check it here as well. So that is the number. So you can go and give that to people and they can then go and call and message you on it. It's that simple. And you can go and see that here on an iPhone as well. So if you found this useful and want to see more WhatsApp guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides.